All right.
Well,
workout time.
Don't it? We are about to go out of space in real life. Seriously. Guys, this Jamaican Energizer Bunny is full of spice. And when you work out with her, you can feel her positive, high energy, even through the screens. So let's welcome Nicole Chaplin to the smile screens. Good morning, Nicole.
Great morning. Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
Of course.
Boy, Nicole, this early morning workout thing is not for me, I can't tell you that.
Why not?
No, boy, I sleep, I'm still asleep right now.
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Rain fall outside. Well, rain can only fall. It's raining outside, and I want to sleep.
Nicole, tell me about yourself. How long have you been working out? What was it that's, the moment that you decided, let me just go into fitness and this is going to be my life?
I started working out from a young age, riding bicycle, cheerleading, just being active. And after I had my first baby, I gained 70 pounds. And I said, that is not for me. I had to relax on the oxtails. I had to relax on the fried dumpling. I had to really get myself back into shape.
Not the oxtails.
Yes, ma'am. But I was eating oxtail all the time.
Nicole, what's it been like? COVID is happening. People are inside, people are at home, people are locked in, and they're restricted in their movement, and you're at home. What's it been like for you working out in a different space now? Well,
I created a gym in my garage. I think you have to create a space that works for you. So if you're going to work out in your living room, have your area where you have some equipment so you can feel like you're in that environment to work out. It's not so easy to do sit-ups on your bed, right? Because you're not in that environment. So I created it. I think that people have to remember it's how you take it in. And when I see this, I'm like, I want to work out. So I think being indoors, we just have to make it work. No excuses.
No excuse. All right.
Okay, Nicole, so what about those who work out well in groups? Like, I don't have a group around me, so I don't feel like working out anymore. How do you get me from that point?
What you do, you join WellFit. You're part of the WellFit Club. So there's tons of online communities that you can join. You just have to find one and stick with it. People make excuses for everything. We can't do this, we can't do that. You have to, at some point, when you're tired of looking the way you look, and you're tired of being overweight, and you're tired of, I'm so lethargic, you will make that change. That's it.
Absolutely. And it's much more about, your health, your overall health versus just how you're going to look.
Yes, how you feel. When you wake up, you want to be energized. When you wake up, you want to feel like you can take on the world. The more energy you have, the more you can accomplish. The better you are for not only you, but your family and your community. Indeed. We're all in this together.
Yeah. So now that you're with us, what are some of the at-home exercises that you do, like probably the top 3 now, you could show us for those who are at home watching this segment?
Okay, so if you don't have dumbbells, right, you can use a bottle of water. Everybody wants to make sure that their arms look good, right?
Oh, yeah,
so you get dumbbells and you curl, 1, and you curl, 2. That's really simple. 3, I'm going to go to 10, 4. Hold the abs in. 5. Yes, that's it. 6. There you go. 7. Come on. 8. 9.
Oh my God, these dumbbells are so heavy.
10. Now you're gonna take it to the top. Arms out, shoulders, and push. 1 and down. 2 and down. Yes. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. There you go. 6. We're gonna do 4 more.
Nicole, is that too much, man?
Yeah, like you can really feel the burn.
10. Now, one thing I like to do is I like to simulate boxing, right? I'm certified in boxing and kickboxing. So you're gonna put your hands up. You don't even need dumbbells. And all we're gonna do is punch forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch you. Other side.
Sorry, yeah.
Ready. Oh, hold on, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want you to pivot with your hip. You're gonna turn. 1, 2.
Turn.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Turn which way? Turn.
2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Debbie, twist your hip, Debbie. Hip.
I am twisting.
Put your hip.
Twist your twist your hip.
Put your hip.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna add our cardio into it.
Okay.
We're gonna do jumping jacks.
Hold on, let me take off my shoes, Nicole. Give me a second.
Nicole, where?
So I'm gonna show you 2 versions. We're gonna hop in one.
Hold on. Before Debbie come back, where can the people find it? Because I'm gonna be out of breath at the end of this session. Where can they find
They
it?
can find me on NicoleChaplin.com and they can find me on the Well Fit Club.
Okay.
On my Instagram, all right?
Is it because it's early where I feel like this?
Yeah, no, it's just hard. It's just hard, man.
Right,
It's
Nicole,
just hard.
Ready.
So
Okay.
there's 2 options.
But Nicole, okay, like me who, you know, I pulled the tendon here.
Shall not knee.
Not only do I have knock knee, but I pulled the tendon. All right, and I am still healing it, right? So, you know, what kind of alternate exercises can I do for somebody who can't jump? You know, because the knee is still not good.
Show it.
Okay, good. Good.
This is the one, if your knees are tender
I
or
know.
your quads, your hamstring, all you're gonna do is step out. 1, together. 2, together.
Okay.
Step out, together. Step out, together. But if you can jump, you're gonna add the jump. 1, 2.
You must jump because your foot good.
1, 2. Let's do this version. 3. Here we go. 4. Let's do it together. 5. There you go. 6. Point your toe. 7. Point your toe. 8. Point your toe. 9. 10. Now.
Wait, it's not signal plane, you know? It's not signal plane, it's a jumping jack.
You know, say, this,
Jesus.
whenever I do these workouts. Oh, see, she doing
She's
this.
doing signal plane, eh?
See, Nicole just do it a while ago.
Signal plane. Hey,
Workout.
signal plane. Hey.
Workout.
That's not the exercise. Now I do want you to try it. If you can't do the hop, then do the step up. At least let's try 5. All right? 3, 2, 1. Let's jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was easy, right? That's it. But I want you to understand, it's about getting the body moving.
Yes.
We have to move. If we're sitting down, right, a lot of people are sitting down in their home, their organs are stationary, they're not moving it, they're not getting any exercise. So another exercise I want to do is the legs. Your hands are up by your ears and you come up. 1.
Oh, I can try this.
Oh, I can't do that.
Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna go fast.
Hold on. Ready?
Let's go. 1, 2,
Wrong foot. Hold on. I can see the coordination.
Right hand, left foot, Debbie.
right now, left knee.
I was like, okay, hold on. Right. Ready.
You sure you're ready?
Yeah, I'm
man.
ready. I'm so ready, Nicole. I'm so ready. Let's go.
Hands by the ears, chest up.
Wrong foot, Debbie.
And
Wrong
here
foot.
we go.
It's not.
See that,
1,
Debbie?
It is not.
Like this.
She's doing this. Look at it.
4, 5, 6, 7.
You wrong now.
8.
Oh, God. Okay, hold on. Next
Other
one.
side. 3, 2.
We're getting food after this?
1, 2,
There must be a chef here waiting in the way.
3,
Seriously.
4, 5, 6,
Oh, my
7,
God.
8, 9, 10.
What do you call this dance again?
Shelly belly.
Shelly belly, right.
All right, Nicole, thank you so
Oh,
much.
God. Nicole, thank you. Woo.
It has been a pleasure, and you see, we did it with no weights. We only used weights for the bicep curls, but everything else was our own body weight: the jumping jacks, the punches, and the knee to elbows.
Yeah,
Yes.
man. Remember, check her out on Instagram, you know, and thing. Having balance in life is key, and wellness is a huge part of that. So, practice healthy habits for better physical and mental health if you want to survive this thing, you know?
Right.
Join the We Lift Club for more options.
The Well Fit.
Well, me can't read
The
right
Well Fit Club
Me
for
see-
more
me see
workout
we lifts.
options, guys. All right. Thanks, Nicole, for joining us.
now. We Lifts.
Way more
Well
after the break. I don't know what else we could do after the break, though. Honestly, what
Eat.
else could be there to do
Can eat
after the
some
break?
food.
Go
Eat some
in time.